Well, that was the president of the Chartered Institute of Nigeria speaking there. Olajumoke Simplace will now shift focus to the agriculture sector as the National Agricultural Seed Council is working to develop support and regulations towards the implementation of the Plant Variety Protection Law. Now, this follows the recent signing into law of the plant breeders legislation by the president. Lara Falaya has the details.
The Plant Variety Protection Bill was passed by the House of Representatives in December last year and the Senate in March this year. While awaiting presidential assent of the document, there were several calls for this to happen speedily, as it was crucial to the operations of plant breeders and the entire agricultural system. Now that the feat has been achieved, it's jarring news to the country's seed regulators.
This to us is a very significant achievement, as efforts made during successful government to bring forward the topic of intellectual protection for plant varieties in Nigeria were unsuccessful. But today, the current government, under the leadership of Mr. President, has made history with the introduction of this law.
The development is expected to allow seed breeders begin to introduce more yielding, disease-resistant, climate-smart and input-efficient varieties. This should in turn boost effective land use and reduce food prices owing to increased agriculture production. The country's Seed Council is now working towards regulations that will drive the new legislation's implementation.
We have commenced actions to set up a functional PVP office that will be capable of receiving and processing applications for the granting of PVP law in Nigeria from anywhere in the world. We are also working to develop a supporting regulations that will help implement the Act.
This is coming alongside steps to make the country gain full membership of the International Union for the Protection of New Varieties of Plants.
The Plant Variety Protection Law gives intellectual property rights to plant breeders through a legal framework that guides their operations and prevents them from exploitation, amongst so many gains. Lara Falaya, TVC News, Abuja.